Hello viewers, today I will show you how to create a video through using PowerPoint. Let's see step by step. Microsoft PowerPoint has this type of feature that when you create any slide and finally you can convert the slides into video. I'm giving one example, like just think that this is the test header, then taking new slide 1. I'm copy pasting. This is slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. I would like to add few images on my slide. I'm taking this image. Now adding second. I'm adding these images to my second slide, and now I am Mickey Mouse, adding this slide. Now adding fourth one, Tom and Jerry. Good. Now okay, see that I have multiple slides, total number of 5 slides, and I want to set timings through transition. This is the feature name is transition. You can use this animation slideshow. This one, rehearsal timings and slideshow. If we click here, then these 5 slides will show one by one accordingly. So during the showing time we have to put the time, how much time we will keep for each slide. I'm giving example here. Start recording from beginning. Start recording. So test header is showing. I'm keeping this for 8 seconds. Then next one, I will keep 5 seconds for this slide. Now for this one I will keep 6, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Okay, you can see on the screen the second is showing for each slide. Like for test header it's showing 11 seconds. For slide 1 it's showing 6 seconds. For slide 2 it's showing 7 seconds. For slide 3 it's showing 4 seconds, and for slide 4 it's showing 3 seconds. This is the duration that I set during this record time slideshow. So this is very easy steps that you can be followed to make your videos through using PowerPoint. Now I will show you that how you will export this video as MP4 into your PC. Before I go through, I also would like to show that you can add sound from here. You can see that record is activated, and we can also add individual file to each. So already I have recorded my voice into this slide, so I will show you just export portion only. But if you want, then you can keep off microphone and add as a background music from insert. Okay, now I will show you export. Go to file, better to keep as save as. This is the file name that you want to give, and PowerPoint. Microsoft Media Video. This is the video format, Microsoft Media Video. Save. Creating video test header. You can see that there is showing creating video test header. That was the file name, and at the ending of file name is .wmv. This is the file format. This is the video file format. So these slides we have moved into video file format. So after done done this, then you can also convert this file from WMV to MP4 and AV4, etc., where you want to convert. But this was the very basic steps that you can follow to make a video from PowerPoint. We wait few minutes and now video has generated. Let's see after saving how the video is showing. So it was the video. Maybe you are hearing some sound. That sound was recorded during my cleaning session. It's up to you what you actually want, your voice or any background sound. Okay, I'm ending the video. I hope you like these steps that you can follow. Thank you for watching the video.